Put it in me, daddy.
Throttle addiction!
Yeah, this is an easy one. This episode is brought to you by
Throttle addiction! We're doing it, guys. Finally, we've made it. We don't only have one hardtail to install. We have two throttle addiction hardtails to install. Down.
We don't want one position.
We want all positions.
Okay?
Yeah, we want all positions. Shout out to Chris Tucker. Let us build you a bike. See all this stuff right here? I know the ratchet stuff's in the way, but...
I can go on this side.
Yeah, go on the good side.
Wow.
Fully custom.
You can't buy that at Throttle Addiction.
No. And we probably won't do it for you.
Yeah.
Alright, click the link in the description. throttleaddiction.com. Or the link right here. Okay? Buy hats, shirts, hardtails, sissy bar, fenders, seats, oil tanks, or all of it together as one. Get your chopper right with a hardtail from Throttle Addiction. Get us springers, hats, fuel bottles, everything.
Precise.
Choppers.
It's kind of like an excuse or a fallback. It's a chopper.
Chopper.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crooked. It's a chopper.
I don't say that. Some people might.
You just said that.
No, it's not crooked yet, is it?
Yet. I like your catch. I feel like it's weird to have a video back in the shop, you know?
I know, we're usually out, dude.
Yeah.
People are gonna be bummed that we're in the shop.
Oh, these boring guys again.
Damn it, back in the shop. I thought we were like going to Biketoberfest, Myrtle Beach Bike
Yeah,
Week.
there you go. Sturgis.
Sturgis Motorcycle Revolution.
Sturgis, Tennessee, or wherever that other one is.
Sturgis. Oh, Little Sturgis.
You little Sturgis.
Little Sturgis. Kentucky?
I think it is Kentucky.
Little Sturgis, Kentucky. Where you can watch people have orgies. The way it used to be, you know?
Before Facebook ruined
Before
it.
Facebook ruined the orgies. Because no one wants to see their grandmother get DP'd.
What?
You know? No one wants to see their grandmother get DP'd. Don't run your bolts in towards the fender. You will groove your tire.
You will regret it.
You will regret this.
You don't have anything planned?
My only plan is to work here till at midnight every night.
Every night.
Every night. Once these two hardtails are done, it's roundup time.
How long do we have until the Virginia City roundup?
5 months.
You've thought.
I wake up in the middle of the night thinking about it. I woke up in a cold sweat tonight, but that might have been a kiss of the baby.
Dude.
I woke up in the middle of the night with a cold sweat because the dog and Courtney lie on top of me while I sleep. Okay?
Then what's cold about that?
Well, it's the sweat turns cold because you're laying in it after you know, I'm all wet, sweaty. And then I get cold, and then it's cold, you know? It's not a hot sweat.
I thought you only sweat when it's hot.
I was hot.
I thought a cold sweat was like you have a fever.
Oh,
and
no.
You're sweating.
No, I'm not. I don't think I'm actually sick, but maybe.
Cold sweat equity.
Cold sweat equity. You know what they say, when you got an impact, every bolt looks like it needs to be loosened. Or tightened.
I've never heard that before.
Or impacted.
Yeah, that's it. I feel like you might need help.
Let's see though. Let's see though. Let me try. Let me do it.
Well, there is a caliper.
Oh, dude, there's a caliper.
Yeah, that's what I was. Yeah.
You get a caliper.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was saying. But there we go.
Ooh, that could have been bad.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Caliper.
Caliper. To there. I'll just drill it from underneath.
Fuck it.
I don't suggest doing this at home.
Right into John's finger.
I did mark that one. We'll see how well it came out. Dude, get some lathe action, bro. Get some lathe shots. This is what the public craves, is lathe shots.
Yeah, it's riveting content.
Filming the reservoir tip?
Live from the reservoir.
Live from the reservoir tip. That's lathing, baby. Woohoo!
Oh, no. Nice. Nice. Usually works.
That's how I usually get it done around here. Where did I measure this from? Good enough. Oh, maybe I can get through it with the step. You can get through it with the step?
It works.
Hit me with the center punch. Damn. The hole's off, it's your fault.
Sure. Damn.
That's what's up.
Jesus Christ.
Get the action.
Bend the tab down a little bit.
I think you need to put it inside the hole.
Thank you to both of you. You're really contributing.
Of course.
Lovely. We'll do flames. We'll do flames. Just round it off like that.
Sure.
Okay.
No need to get too fancy.
I'm about to do it right now on this. About to just do it mounted.
What's the pros and cons of this?
There's no cons. Only pros.
I think it's neat.
Okay.
Well,
Ew. Hot wheels are dangerous. That's the outside one. Hold.
hold.
I think we're hitting. You pull the axle out a little bit because that thing's definitely hitting the axle.
Tell me when.
Go. Okay. Good, great, grand, wonderful, lovely.
Is that a swear word?
We gotta bleep it out for the kids. I am gonna make a strap that is threaded, and it's gonna get welded to the thing. And
You're fucking amazing.
And then this thing is fucking done. And homeboy can come to get it, and that is not an invitation for him to bring 5 of his fucking friends.
Oh my god.
Your choice to lead that one. God, dude, it's like this.
Mount.
Oh, I gotta mount that. Right. Eazy Co. Modified Customs.
We modify customs.
Put it in me, daddy.
Gonna be home late. This is a boring video. We're gonna get her back on the road soon. I need a carb cover. Anybody has an Ed Roth Linkert carb cover, send it to us, please. Ed Roth Linkert carburetor cover, please send it to us. Craig, I'm gonna tell you right now,
What?
I didn't have anything to watch yesterday.
I don't believe that.
I didn't, dude. I didn't have anything to watch.
That must be a terrible feeling for a guy like you.
It gives
okay?
me the worst. It's the worst feeling. Okay.
Of like what? Anxiety or
no, just like I'm upset. I hate a lot of things at that moment.
You are.
I need my stories.
You
and
are
I've
so in it.
I was gonna watch the Oscars. I should have, because
You saw
the
that.
Chris Rock incident. But you know what's the funniest part that came out of that whole thing, the Oscars and everything?
What?
Is that we find out that Jason watches the Oscars. What a loser, dude. What a
I didn't even know what
loser.
was going on.
Listen, everybody, go follow _Blood Creek on Instagram. He got his Instagram hacked and it was deleted. He's a good friend of ours, Jason. He makes amazing knives. Go over there, follow on Instagram, and also he watches the Oscars. So,
Oh my God, you're gonna bring up that seat, bro. You're gonna bring up that seat, bro.
you think I'm gonna bring the seat?
You're gonna bring up that seat, bro.
Oh, I just need to get it to chill. If I can get it to chill, we are golden, Pony Boy. But it seems to be a little more difficult than I thought it would be. Hold on.
You want to tack it?
Tack it.
Use your stupid fucking hose.
I got this.
I need wire.
Just fuse tack it. Oh!
Good.
Yeah. You got it.
We good?
I think so. Alright. Tack the other side.
And you can just rip it, grip and rip it.
This is what took my finger last time. We need to expand. We're lousy with motors. Great expansion.
The Great Expansion.
It's coming.
The Great Expanse.
The Great Expansion is coming. The Great Expansion of 2023. There you go. A little vertical bead for you.
Wow. Also, dale me gusta y suscríbete.
What?
I learned it.
Dale me scusa.
Dale me gusta y suscríbete.
Yeah, like and subscribe, baby boys and girls. Okay, like and subscribe to life. Like and subscribe to the channel. All right, like and subscribe to everything that we are doing. Merch, Patreon, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, emails.
What?
All of it. Like and subscribe to all of it.
Oh, before we go.
What's up? Oh, dude, we got a Noodle Corp letter. I don't know if any of you have seen the other videos with Chicken Rick, but we got a Noodle Corp letter.
Click here to go to it.
Click there to go to it. Noodle Corp. We don't really know what it is, but it freaks me out, so we're gonna open this one. Valued customer, there have been growing concerns about the future. We have also been inquiries into the past and questions about justice and sustainability. This is the reality of the situation we find ourselves in. We as a company have been reflecting on everything that has led to this moment and what the Noodle Corp will eventually grow into. This is a huge moment with opportunities for many voices to be heard. Please take the time to fill out the attached survey and return to etor@noodlecorp.net. Innovation, growth, community, and a Noodle Corp way. Sincerely, Etor. John and
He
Craig.
knows our names.
What? This is not cool. I love the
Daytona.
Yeah, I love the... What is that? I love the call
Calls
from Daytona. Sorry about the red rocket. Let me know if you're in New York City. EB.
Etor
Belamonte.
Survey. Please circle one option per line and return it to Etor.
Can see, can't see, late, not. I'm glad Etor is a fan. Please don't hurt us.
I'm glad he's a fan. This is exciting. Thanks for watching, Etor.
Thanks for watching, Etor.
Anything you need, just ask.
No. Nope. Nope.
You know where to find us.
All right.
I want to see this.
Send it to them.
Yeah. It's got to be them.
You think it's them?